Yo, so I just got this freshie and I heard the best mod for it is a new tire, so let's go get that changed out. So let's get this tire changed out. To do that, we need to take off this whole front module, take off this foot pad, all the bumpers and all that, so let's get started.
Yo, you don't have to do all that work.
What do you mean?
Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys how not to do a tire change today. Let's break the bead first. Take the valve stem out to let the air out of the tire. So when I break the bead, it doesn't just blow up into air in my face. Sick. Got the bead broken. Next step. 7 screws. We only need to take off 7 screws from the board today. All you need, a 1/4-inch Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver for this method. We'll flip the board upside down first. We will take off this bracket right here. And then we'll take off this bracket right here. Alright, after you take those brackets out, grab that 1/4-inch Allen wrench. Let's just take all these hub bolts out. Alright, once you get those hub bolts out, you should be able to just pop the tire up. Just like that. As you can see, still connected to the board. We haven't taken any of the front module parts over. Let's change this tire. Go grab your tire spoon. Pinch your tire. And get your tire to sit in the grooves of the rim. Get your tire spoon in there. This part just takes a little bit of finesse. Sweet. Now we got the tire on. Let's clean up all this slime with some rags. And then we'll grab a tire. I have a secret tire. Let's grab it. Extra rad from the float light. It's my favorite tire for the XR, so let's put it on this XR. Boom, look at that. Tire in the board. Next step, put some air in here. Grab our air compressor. We'll set this to a really high amount of PSI. get a pop yet. Let's add more air until this thing pops. Don't be scared to keep adding air when you're trying to set the bead. There's nothing to be scared of. It won't ruin your tire. There it is. We got our pops. Next step of your tire change. You want to put some tire sealant in your tire. I got stay afloat, regular strength. We'll squeeze half of the bottle into this tire. That valve cord we took out earlier, we'll go ahead and put that back in. Those 4 hub bolt screws we took off, let's go ahead and just slap those back in. After we get those in, let's flip it upside down and put these brackets back on. We got all our brackets in. Last we'll check. Let's just make sure these hub bolts are tightened all the way. Just like that. Brand new tire on this board. Didn't even have to open up the controller or take apart anything. We just pulled the motor out of the board and changed the tire. I don't recommend ever doing a tire change like this, but if you're in a pinch and you only have a little bit of time to do it, full send, do your tire change.